Good morning, class. I hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, I sure. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, very good morning, everyone. And I hope you all know how my morning will be more good. How it will be more good, Heli?
By
By
interacting.
everyone's camera on.
Very good. That's the very first point. Yes, interaction must be there, but I want cameras also to be on. So, Sharmila, Pavitra, Nahida, Felsi, very good. Very good. I could see most of you all. Anoop, you are still on the way. Pavitra, yes.
My
Okay,
camera
fine.
is on.
Yes, yes, yes. Now I saw you. Very good, students. Now I can see most of you all on the camera. Fine. So I'll share my screen and there's one picture. You have to tell me what is happening in that picture, okay? Let me know whether my screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Hmm?
visible.
Very good. Nahida, tell me what are these, what is happening in that picture?
Father and son is reading something.
Ah, they are reading something. What are they reading, Pavitra?
Reading
Because now I could
newspaper.
only see Sabina on my screen. Rest, no one is there on my screen. So, like, is maths lecture boring to you? Yes, yes, Pavitra, you were saying something. I'm sorry.
And so it is newspaper, reading
Very
newspapers.
good. Yes, yes, they are reading newspaper. What is there in the newspaper, Anoop? Anoop is there.
Yes,
Yes, Anoop. I hope you read newspaper. What do we get in the
yes, ma'am.
newspaper? What all things are there in the newspaper?
Ma'am, uh, news about current affairs, politics, and
Exactly. Very good. Yeah. And what
yes,
else? Naida, you want to add something?
Ma'am, it's have different Bollywood news or some sport news or day to day
Very
like political news.
amazing, amazing. So all the information is there. Okay. There is one news which this father is reading. Okay. I'll go to that news. This is the news that they are reading. What is highlighted in this news, students? Haley, what is highlighted in this news?
It is about the scandal amount, like the fake account scandal.
Very good. Yeah. And then there are a lot of numbers you could see 5,300.
They are
What
in
other numbers
dollars.
are there, Shamila?
They are
Yes,
in
they are
dollars,
in
I guess.
dollars. Okay, only money is given. Only in dollars
Percentage
it
is
is
also
given.
given.
Very good. There's percentage also. So all these numbers, all these percentages are very much important to understand the depth of the information. Right? Am I correct, Sharmila? Till here you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. Numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is news basically, and it has a lot of numbers. Numbers, big numbers will give you more depth of that information. So yes, our chapter itself is number system. Okay, number system, and today we are going to do only the basics of entire number system, students. Okay, is it clear to you? What are we going to study today? Nahida, Felsi, Anoop, only Haley is there in my
yes,
classroom.
ma'am.
So Haley is the one who is
Ma'am, we are
interested in
there,
the
ma'am.
maths.
We are
You all
there.
are there? You all are there? Haley, take one
Yes, we are
screenshot to
there.
me and send on
Yes,
my
ma'am.
WhatsApp. Let me see
yes,
how many students are there on my screen.
Except Sharmila and Anup, every one of us are there.
Everyone is there. Very good. What about Sharmila? Sharmila, what happened?
No, ma'am.
Nothing, right? So come on the camera fast. Fine. Shall we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we were studying about this, and then I'll tell you something about numbers. Are numbers now very recent, or it is like very primitive? Numbers are very new to you,
primitive.
or only you have studied about numbers, your parents?
Ma'am, your
Oh,
voice is
ma'am,
not
we have
clearly
we have
audible.
we have learned it.
Where? Only you have learned it.
So it's around
Numbers
us.
are from numbers are from how many years old, students? Numbers are very recent to you, or numbers are from very primitive time.
Primitive
A
time.
very
Very
Yes,
primitive
ma'am.
time.
It was from
yes,
ancient time as well.
very good. From the Stone Age time. But why it was important, students, at that time? Now you have this calculation, money counting, food counting. Why numbers were important at that time? Why numbers were important in the Stone Age time? There was no money, there was no grocery to buy. Why it was important at that time, students? Y'all are talking because none of y'all are audible to me. Pavitra, can you tell me why numbers were important that time?
I don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Maybe
I
for
try?
food and travel.
Now you are speaking. Yes, yes, Nahida, please go ahead.
Ma'am,
Now
might
you
be
are audible.
they are with people. They have to count their community, or they might cook something, so they have to add some particular amount of it. So they will say add three beans or something like that.
Very good. So one, to count the number of people in their family, to count the food they are having, maybe of that case. Anything else? What was very like very much into practice at that time? Do they used to go to the offices like now we do, your parents do? What was the occupation in the
Ma'am, can
Stone
I?
Age? Yes, yes, Nahida.
Ma'am, they do shepherd thing, like they used to make other cows and sheep to the land and they graze. So they count those sheep.
Exactly. So there was animal rearing, there was hunting, all these occupations were there, right? But then what they used to use then at that time, we didn't have calculators at that time, right? So they used to use what?
Fingers.
Exactly, they used to use their fingers. But how much you can count with your fingers, students? You can
10.
count endless number 10. Like maximum a
Okay.
human can remember with their fingers 50. Okay. Then after that, what after that? What Stone Age man or used to use when he was short of fingers? What he used to do to remember
On the
numbers?
stones, on the stones.
What on the stones? What on the stones?
Use stones to count the digit numbers.
Very good, but they used to do some markings, right, on the stone, like how it is shown here. Yes, do you agree what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So this was the point, student. Number is not something recent or something which Aishwarya ma'am has taught you in the 6th or 7th standard. Numbers have been coming from the Stone Age time. There was no specific symbols, but these are what number used to do. And these numbers were not only useful now in the math subject, but it was used since the Stone Age time to count animals, hunting, for counting the number of family members, food that they used to eat after hunting, all these things. So numbers are like from very, very primitive time. Now tell me, only numbers were there, only numbers are helpful? Does maths only consist of numbers? Yes, Felsi, does maths only consist of numbers?
Ma'am, it does consist of alphabets too. Like one maths sir taught us about algebraic expressions.
Very good. Anup sir has taught you about algebraic expression, right? The variables, constants, consonants. What else is there? What else we have studied?
About
Did you
signs and symbols.
exactly? What are the signs and symbols you have studied in maths when you were very small students?
Plus
Addition,
minus.
subtraction,
Plus,
Plus,
multiplication,
minus.
minus,
division.
Subtraction.
Exactly. What do we call them? What do we call them? These are
Signs.
signs.
Sign.
operations.
So even very good, Anup. It was arithmetic operation. Signs are something which even I can give. It's an autograph. Okay. So signs also, but then very specific word will be operators. So there were different operators, shapes, symbols. Okay. So these all things also consist of the subject maths. We have all these things in the maths as well, apart from numbers. Okay, am I clear till your students?
Yes.
Are we on the same page? Felsi, Nahida, Sabina, are we
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
same page? Very clear. So all these things were there, and then there are various types of writing numbers. Okay, I don't even only write numbers in the fashion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I am a Maharashtrian, I even write numbers in the Marathi language. Is it different from your language, students? Some might be writing in Urdu, some might be writing in Tamil, some might be writing in English, right? So now I'm going to turn my sharing off, and I want you all to write on the page your number system or your numbers 1, 2, 3. How do you write 1, 2, 3 in your language, in your religion? Take a paper and write 1 to 10 in your religion. If you are confused, you can write in English as well.
I'm done.
Very good, Nahida. Can you show it on the screen, or you can click one photo and put down in the WhatsApp? Very good. In which language it is, Nahida?
Urdu, ma'am.
Urdu. Very good. So now what I can do is click the photos, everyone, put that in the WhatsApp group, and then we'll compare all the languages. How do they look? How the numbers look in different languages. Sharmila, you are ready? Show me on the camera, Sharmila. Just a minute. Done? Yes, very good. Sharmila has put down in the group. She has written in which language, Sharmila?
Marathi, ma'am.
Marathi. Very good. What about the others? What about the others? Sharmila has put down. What about the others? Sharmila is done. Nahida is done with her work. Felsi, Haley, Sabina, Pavitra. Students, you are there with me? Yes, Felsi, you were talking something because of the network issue, I couldn't hear anything. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
I got them. Yes, even in Arabic and in Urdu. Very good, Anaida. Yes. Fine. So these are the different numbers. I want everyone to give their inputs in the WhatsApp group, right? I'm waiting for others also to revert. Yes, even Haley has written. Haley, in which language is it? Haley? Haley is there in the classroom?
It is in Gujarati.
It's in Gujarati. Very good, Haley. So now we have Gujarati, Marathi, Arabic, Hindu, Arabic, Urdu. What else?
In Tamil, we don't have zero.
We don't have
Zero.
We don't have zero in.
I'm asking, ma'am.
We do have zero. We do have zero. 0 to 9. I have told you 1 to 10. No, so even that 10 number will have one zero, right? That's the reason I went from 0 to 10. Clear? Very good. Most of it, even Felsi has put down in Hindi, right? Felsi? Very good. So these are the different numbers, okay? And we should promote all these numbers, students, because unity, there's unity in all diversity numbers. Are you getting my point here? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let's move ahead. I hope most of you all are there on the camera. Now I want you all to use this number. Since I'm going in a stationery store, form one sentence and tell me how will you use numbers where you are in the stationery store. Sabina, will go with you. Sabina, you are in a stationery store. You want to buy something. Use a number of your choice and frame a
I will buy
sentence.
2 pens from the stationery.
So how will you request the shopkeeper? Sorry, let's do
Excuse
that.
me.
That's okay. Yeah, tell me.
I want 2 pens from the shop.
Directly, I want 2 pens. The requesting. Sabina, yes, go ahead.
Yes, Ashwarya, I said it, no?
Can you repeat the line with the requesting form? You are going in the shop. You are requesting for 2 pens. You are going to buy. Yes, yes. You are buying 2 pens. How would you buy 2 pens?
I
Which
would
pens
like
you
to
would?
buy these 2 pens. I would like to buy these 2 pens. Can you give it to me,
Very,
please?
very good, Sabina. Next, the next image. The next image is in the thunder ride. Now you are on the thunder ride, students. I want you all to frame one sentence where you are on the thunder ride. Yes, Sharmila. Form one sentence and tell me. Quick. One sentence of the thunder ride which will have number. Sharmila, you are there with me? Is
Ma'am, can
Sharmila
I
audible
try?
to other? But Sharmila isn't there in the classroom, or Sharmila is facing some
Yes, ma'am.
difficulties. Yes. Felsi, I'll give you the next turn. Don't worry. I'm there with you. Yes, Sharmila, tell me.
Please give me a right ticket.
But then there's no number in it. Sharmila, we have to include number in that ticket, like in your sentence.
Please give me a one right ticket.
One. Only one is going to sit. You are going to take your friends also, no, Sharmila? You won't take me on the ride.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many tickets you want for all of us in the classroom?
Nine ticket.
9 tickets. Very good. So we are going to buy 9 tickets. Sharmila is going to take all of us on the ride. Everyone is excited for it, or you all are frightened for all these rides. How many of you all will be joining Sharmila for the ride, thunder ride? Haley is there. Very good, Haley. Haley, Naida, Pavitra, Felsi, you are afraid of such rides? Is it? Felsi?
Network issue maybe.
She left, I guess. Okay, no problem. Next, there's this speed limit signboard. You might have seen in the Diwali vacation, everyone was going out, like for outstation, for stay vacation. Such sign symbols are there. What is the sign limit? Frame a sentence. Nahida, go ahead, frame a sentence on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do not exceed the limit of the car more than 100 kilometer speed per
100,
hour.
100 kilometer speed, 100 kilometer per hour speed. Okay, very good. So this was something which included physics as well. 100 kilometer per hour, 40 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour. These are the cases. Okay, very good. Next, I would tell Pavitra. Pavitra, this is
Yes,
which
ma'am.
building? This is which building? You know? Anyone knows which is this building? Anyone wants to
Burj
visit
Khalifa.
this? Very good. This is Burj Khalifa. You might have heard about the song also, no? Akshay Kumar in that song. Or no? You'll only study. Frame a sentence, Pavitra. You are there with me. Please frame a sentence for this. Pavitra, you are there with me. Is Pavitra
Yes,
audible
ma'am.
to others?
Yes,
Yes, Pavitra.
yes,
Please
ma'am.
go ahead. Frame one sentence which will have the number and Burj Khalifa.
It is a building.
But this sentence didn't add any number, Pavitra. I want a number in that sentence. Use a number.
I want to buy 2 flats in Burj Khalifa.
Very good. You want to buy 2 flats in Burj Khalifa. And what would be the cost of one? You know,
No, no idea.
it can cross 100 millions or something in Burj Khalifa. No worries, but very good. Best of luck, Pavitra. When you will buy 2 flats in Burj Khalifa, we all will come to visit you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So this is the purpose of numeral. Everywhere you will go, you will have these numbers in your life. Numbers are something which is inevitable, students. Maths and numbers goes hand in hand. You will require everywhere. Even a literate or an illiterate person would require numbers. Okay. So where do we use numbers apart from this, students? Can anyone give one example? Haley, can you give one example? Apart from all these which we have discussed, a newspaper in the stationery store, on the ride when you are buying something, or if you are
In
buying a
bank,
flat.
ma'am, in bank.
In the bank, very good. Recently, Sharmila teacher has taught you about the bank transactions, right? So even that is
Yes.
something which has a lot of numbers. Very good. Haley, you want to add something or should we go ahead?
The numbers in the mark sheet that we receive,
Very good. Numbers in the mark sheet. Okay, should I
or
start
it's the
asking how
daily
many?
expenses that we make.
What you made, Haley?
Daily expenses made individually, so we can have a count
Very
over them.
excellent. So even numbers which we count on daily basis for our keeping up with the records, like keeping up with the calorie deficiency, all these things are there. So numbers again are something, again I'm telling you, it is inevitable. Okay, now we'll do one virtual manipulation. Can you see the screen, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now see, there are ones, tens, hundred, thousands. We have studied this in our previous classes when you all were there in 5th standard, when you all were there in 4th standard. Yes,
Nothing is visible on the screen.
it is not there. Wait a minute. I'll just stop
It is there.
sharing
It is
and I'll
there.
share it again. Okay. Is it visible now? Just tell me.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
It is visible. Very good. For Haley, it is visible. What about the others? Nahida, Anup, Sharmila,
Yes,
Sabina,
ma'am. It is
Pavitra.
visible.
Invisible.
Very good. But
Both
y'all
is
are not
visible.
Thousands,
visible
you
to me.
said tens, hundreds.
Very good. But then y'all are not visible to me. Should I turn off the camera, turn off the screen, and then teach you maths
Ma'am, I am
again?
having water.
You have what, Nahida?
I'm having water.
She's might be facing some network issue, but yeah, fine. Kelsey is there, Haley is there, Sabina was there, but now she is not there. Pavitra, I
I'm
want
there,
Pavitra,
ma'am.
Sharmila. Yes, very good.
I'm
Pavitra,
there.
is Pavitra there? Haley, can you see Sabina on your
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes,
I can see
interaction is more
Chelsea,
important.
Naida, Sabina, Pavitra.
Very good. If most of y'all can be seen to others also, then is important. Okay. So here it is. Before I move on to taking up these values here on the screen, students, I want y'all to form it on your book. I'll give a number. Let me erase all this. And the number is 1549. Okay, I want you all to bifurcate. Now listen to me very carefully how will we bifurcate, and then next example you all can take up. Okay, so 1549. For 9 I will take 9 ones here. How many are done? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. For 4 I will take how many 10 students? For 4,
4.
really very good numbers. So 4, I've taken, the other one is not visible, but it's there. Then I want to take 5 hundreds. So 5 hundreds are there. 1 2 3 4 5. And the last is 1000. How many thousands I need?
1,000.
Only 1000 I need. So 1000 is here. Clear? And if I have to write the students, how will I write it? See, I have taken the things, but how will I write it? Let me erase this and then I'll show you how do I write this. Okay? Taking the pen.
Aishwarya, Ellie has raised her hand.
Yes, Haley. Yes, Haley. Tell me.
Ma'am, why did we go from right to left and not from why didn't we start with 1000?
You can go any way, Haley. There is no restriction here. Okay. Now we went from left to right. I'll show you something where we are going from right to left. Okay. Both the ways I'll show you. Is it clear, Haley?
But ma'am, while addition and subtraction we add from right to left, but like as you said, we can do it from left to right. So is it like we can do that?
Okay, okay, I'll tell you both the differences. See, when you are taking up only numbers and we are adding, when the addition exceeds 10, when the addition exceeds 10, you have to take one carry. Do you remember we used to take carry or we used to borrow someone while subtraction? Yes. Then there's a case of carry or borrow. Carry in addition and borrow in subtraction. Okay, I'll take one example as well, so it will be clear for you. So carry and borrow, at that time we have to go from left, we have to go from right to left. Clear? In this number, when we were doing 1, 5, 4, 9, in this case, see, if I'm going to divide this, it will be, if I'm going to divide this 100, how will I represent this? Sorry, if I have to represent this 1000, how will I represent this 1 with 3 zeros? Clear? If I have to represent 500, how will I represent?
5
I'll
and
write
2
5x.
5 with 2 zeros.
5 here and then 5 which is below this 0 and 2 zeros here. Next, the next number would be
40,
Nancy, the
ma'am.
next number would be
49.
I'm
4
not
and
unable to
49.
understand what you're explaining.
yes. I'll take one more example, Sabina. Don't worry. Okay. But now tell me, where will I write 40? Should I write it below 5, Sabina, or where should I locate this 40?
Zero.
Below the next 0. Very good. So 40 here, and the last number. What is the last number?
9.
9.
9.
Very good. So 9. Now here the addition is much simpler. While adding, as Haley said, as Haley put down, it's very good, Sabina. So as you put down, you will be adding from right to left. Representation can be done anyways. Representation, students, can be done any space, from left to right, from right to left. But while adding numbers or while subtracting numbers, you have to do it from right to left. Why, Felsi? Why? What is that case? What is that case?
So the addition or subtraction can be easier.
Yes, easier, and there is something which is called as carry or borrow. Okay, carry in addition and borrow in subtraction. That would be reflected. Is it clear? So now the number after addition would be 1549. You all will take one more example and try it on the book. Yes, students, you are there with me or bored with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this number 2379 and show it on the book. 2379. Try this in your book with the same method and show it to me.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very good, Nahida. Please click one photo and put down in the chat, put down in the WhatsApp group for me. Very good. I could see. Yes, it is perfectly correct. Sabina, you were showing me something, I guess. Sabina has also put down in the group. Yes, click one photo immediately and put down in the group. So our task is done for today. Very good. Even Haley is showing on the screen. Felsi is showing on the screen. Very good. Haley, Felsi, I want you all to put down this even in the WhatsApp group. Okay? You can do it now. You can do it later on. Any ways will do. Okay? Shall we go ahead now, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I have shared a different screen. Is it visible? Sharmila, no, your book wasn't visible to me. Can you show it me once again, bacha? No, the other way. No, no. Take it a little far away from your camera, Sharmila. A little far.
Ma'am, I send in the group.
Okay, no problem. Even that will do. Okay, I'll check and I'll tell you whether all the answers were correct. Okay, just give me a minute. Yes. Haley, very good. Haley, Pavitra. Yes, Nahida has also done it correct. Sabina, Bacha, you are there with me in the classroom?
Yes, I've done it and I've posted on
Yes,
the
yes,
WhatsApp group.
yes, yes. It is absolutely correct. My only concern is write the numbers very clearly, Sabina. Okay. See, your 3 in that number wasn't that clearly visible when you have returned the result. So make sure that the numbers are very clear to you. Okay. Crisp, clear. Fine. Is it clear, Sabina?
Yes, yes, I've done it.
Very good. Very good. Most of you all have put down in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for that. Now pay attention here. Now we are towards the end, so pay attention. I want everyone's attention here and everyone on the camera now. Nahida, Sharmila, Felsi, Anu, Sabina, Pavitra. Pavitra, tell me if everyone is there on the camera. Yes, camera is must. As I am there in front of you, even you all should be there in front of me. No? So I'll be excited to teach you all as well. Clear? We have used this picture in the last class. Do you all remember this
Yes, to
picture?
count how many girls and boys.
Excellent, Sabina. See, so we remember what we have learned in the last class. Yes, quickly, Sabina, tell me how many girls are there, how many boys are there?
I'll
Sharmila, you're
count
going
it
to
again.
help Sabina also. Yes, yes, go ahead. Everyone count the number of girls, count the number of boys, and tell me. Sharmila and Sabina are going to give me the answers. Others can help by writing in the chat box. Sharmila is not there. Maybe she is facing some network issue. Yes. Nahida, will you like to help Sabina with the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Yeah.
It was very minute.
Should I go ahead and maximize it for you? Yes. Now is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
There. Is it that difficult? Haley, Felsi, Sharmila, Pavitra, you have came up with the number to help Sabina with the counting.
Ma'am, 11 girls.
There are 11 girls. Should I write it down? Just cross check others whether there are 11 girls.
Yes, ma'am, 11 girls.
11 girls. How many boys are there? There are 8 boys. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. Starting from 1 to
8 boys.
these numbers. Again, these numbers are infinite. There are more numbers to it. You can go from 12, 13 to infinite. What is infinite, students? Basically, a lot of numbers. There is no ending. Numbers are never ending in the life. Okay. So from 1 to 11, you know, we call these numbers, there's a specific word to these numbers. What do we call the numbers which start from 1? We have already studied this in the last grade. From 1 to infinite. What do we
Natural
call
number.
these numbers? Very good, Pavitra. Those are called as natural numbers. I'll just erase this part so you'll be able to see what is written here. Natural numbers. So from 1 to infinite, they are natural numbers. Now count and tell me, Nahida, how many animals are there in this photo? How many animals are there in this photo? Naida, you are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me number of animals in this photo.
Ma'am, I cannot see any animal on the picture.
So then how many animals are there if you can't see any animal?
No, zero animal.
Zero.
Zero. Very good. So something which will have 0, 1, 2, 3, or all are called as?
Whole numbers.
Very good. Those are called as whole numbers. So when you add 0 to your entire natural number series, it will become whole number. Okay. Now, can you see the students are digging?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the last sentence?
Yes. Again, see, when there is no animal here, you said there is 0 number of animals in the picture, right? So 0 with the entire natural number series is called as whole numbers. Your whole number starts from 0. Is it clear? Now,
Yes,
Naida?
ma'am. Thank you.
Very good. Now you could see that the students are digging. Can you see that the students
Yes.
are digging here? Yes. So now when they are digging, the floor is 0. But when they are going inside, then the count would be, when they are going inside the field, count would be, if this level is 0, a level higher, now they are on the slide, the level is 2. When the kite is flying, the level is 3. If I dig and go down, the level would be?
Negative.
Negative. Very good, Pavitra. So after 0, it would be negative
1.
negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So including these number also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. All these are what numbers? All these are what numbers, students? Yes, Pavitra?
Integers.
These are integers. Very good. These are integers. We are including integer as well. So integers will have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Again, both the ways it is infinite. Where you have used this minus 3, minus 2? Really? Where you have used this in maths?
In temperature.
For the temperature. Very good. And one more example. Can anyone give? Yes, Lily?
Number
Nahida
line.
felt on the number line, in the temperature. Very good. So there are ways where you have also represented this negative numbers. Okay. Is it clear till here, students? Any repetition you all need? Any repetition you all need after this? No? Clear? Very good. Now I'm going to take one more example. See here. It is all clear. I'll move towards this. This is height and age. Can you tell me the boy which is 5-year-old? This is age line. Okay, 5-year-old. What is the height? If I'm going to write here 5, 10, 20, sorry,
Voice is breaking,
15.
ma'am. Voice is
My
breaking,
voice is
ma'am.
breaking. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Check whether it is clear now or it is still breaking, students.
It is fine now, ma'am.
Fine now. Okay. Adjustable. Clear. Now you tell me what is the height
Yes.
of this boy which is 5-year-old?
10.
10. It is exact 10.
It is about 10.
It's between 10 and 15.
10 and 15, right? So I'll write approx 10.2. Students, we have a lesson where we are going to read the graph, read the number line properly with the decimal place. So 10.2. Next, every line is 0.2, students here.
It is about something between 20-25.
Ma'am, have you changed the screen?
4. So if each line is 0.2 and there are 4 lines, then if each line is 0.2 and there are 4 lines, students, then it will be you are speaking
Around 24, 20, between 24 or something.
0.2 into 4. Really? 0.2 into 4 would be how much? If I simplify this, it is
Zero
equal
point
to
0.8.
very
0.8.
good
point eight.
0.8. Everyone has understood how we got this 0.8. Haley, Sabina, you want me to repeat? Nahida, you want me to solve this? How we got 0.8? Just raise your hand.
No, ma'am,
Bear
it's
with
fine.
me. Clear? Very good. So then we'll go ahead. Okay. So here the height is 10 and then this 0.8. So this became 10 plus 0.8 is 10.8. So on and so forth, 10.2, 10.8, the next would be 15, the next would be 15.2, then 15 point something. So all these values, students, all these values are in the decimal fraction. Can you see they are in the decimal fraction? I'll just erase this entirely. They are in the decimal fraction. You have 10, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. So these decimal numbers with the normal numbers 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all these numbers coming together will form what? These numbers with 1, 2, 3, with 0, with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all these numbers together are called as what?
Rational.
They are called as Nahida. Are they called as
Integers,
fraction?
ma'am.
Integers. Integers are already done. Integers are negative, positive, and zero. Yes, Pavitra. Something which will
Rational
have
number.
decimal as
Rational
well.
number, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Those are rational numbers. So these are called as rational numbers, students. Rational. Okay. Now, anyone knows the definition of rational number? Rational number is written here. Definition of rational number.
Ma'am, when it's come in ratio, it's called rational.
Very good. When you can write in the ratio P by Q form, it is called as rational number. Where we have studied this ratio, we have studied this ratio in the last class, student. Do you all
Yes,
remember?
ma'am. Yes, puppet show, ma'am.
Very good. In the puppet show, 2 by 5, 3 by 9, all these are ratio, students. Okay. Now we have done a lot of discussion. Let's watch one video and understand what exactly are irrational numbers. So your teacher has made one video. Let's see that video. Okay. Let's clear this and watch this video. Okay. Everyone's attention is here with me. Haley,
Yes.
Fancy, Naida. Let's
Yes,
watch
ma'am.
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Bharatsavan and today I am going to tell you about a very little number that goes on forever and might have both the fear of God in ones who suffer from mathematical anxiety. When the sound of pie only makes my stomach grumble with the thought of delicious pies in those long and painful boring math classes. But for the mathematicians around the world, the number two decimal places, pi, is a journey. It's an experience, and exploring it is like the search in the mysteries of the universe. Now, this mysterious number, which has fascinated the mathematicians for centuries, is celebrated as Pi Day every 22nd July or 22 by 7. This evaluates to 3.1415926535 or 3.14 for short. And this date is similar to the circle's circumference to its diameter. To refresh all your memories, especially the ones stuck with the math phobia. Pi is essentially the circumference to the diameter of a circle. Now it is known as an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation never ends and it never. Did you
Ma'am,
hear
you're
the
breathing.
definition? Yes, yes.
It's a little broken in between.
It was breaking in between. No worries, neither. What I'll do is, if you want to view this video once again, I'll provide a link in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll
Yeah, ma'am.
tell you what was there in that entire video. We were discussing about what we were discussing about Sabina Felsi in that video.
Ma'am, it was too fast. I couldn't understand.
Okay, no
And
problem,
I
no
had
problem.
network issues prior to that, so I had a gap of understanding.
Okay, no worries, no worries. I'll tell you. See, can you see the heading here? Heading here. Is the heading visible to you all? What is written here? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible
It
to
is. It
you?
is. Yes, ma'am. It is in World International Pi Day.
Yes, it is about the International Pi Day. Pi is a symbol, and again, this symbol is something which is irrational. Why it is irrational? You all can see in this video, because the decimal afterwards, the decimal what comes after 3 is never ending, and it is not repeating also, like 3 3 3. It is not repeating this way. It is 1 4 1 5 9 2 6 5 3 5. So it is never ending. It never stops and it never repeats. This is what is called as irrational number. Are we clear till here, students? So what was there in the video? I have even explained you here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see some thumbs up in the classroom?
Yes,
There.
ma'am.
So is it? I hope it is clear. So that are irrational numbers. Okay. Don't worry, students. If you want to view this video, I'll provide the link to you. You can watch it at your pace. Okay. To understand what exactly is pi. Okay. Let's go ahead. So I hope this is clear to you all, and we can go ahead with the concept. Let me go ahead. So here is the chart. Okay, can you see the chart? So whatever we have studied, I have summarized it here. Real number system, we had fraction or decimals. What we call when we have fraction, decimals, everything into one, those are real numbers. And then
Rational.
those are rational. Very good, rational. Something which will have ratio, decimal, something which will terminate, or if it is not terminating, it will repeat like 3.33333. This is repeat. This is repeating. It is not terminating, but it is repeating, will also come in rational number. What was this? Sabina, what is this? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative, positive, 0. What is this? Sabina is there? No, Sabina is not there. Haley? We all are not audible to me.
Rational numbers.
No.
Is it integers?
Yes, rational number is already done, right? Rational number will have these numbers, and yes, as Felsi said, those are integers. I hope you all are understanding what I'm writing on the board. Next, when you eliminate the negative numbers, now you only have zeros to 1, 2, 3, and infinite. It is called as, Anup, it is called as from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and infinite numbers.
Ma'am, whole numbers.
These are whole numbers. Very good. And the last sequence, Sharmila is there? No, Sharmila isn't there. Sabina, you are there with me? The last sequence which will have only 1, 2, 3 numbers, which we usually use for counting, are called as?
Ma'am, I was not there. I had network issues.
Okay, Sabina, not to worry about that. We are just revising what all we did till here. So we did rational number, integers, whole numbers. Now what is these numbers which starts from 1 to infinite?
Natural
1 to
numbers.
infinite. Very good. Natural numbers. Okay. So I hope it is clear now. So we have done the entire chapter as well as we have revised also what we have done in that chapter, what we have done in the number system, basic concept. Is it clear? Till here for everyone? Can I see some thumbs up? So even I'll be at ease. Ki, haan, everyone has understood in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, very good. And what is this bubble now? Extra. Nobody pointed out what is this bubble then, which is not which is not rational number. Nahida, what is this bubble? Okay, okay. Haley was answering. Haley, would you like to help? Nahida, you don't know the answer.
I'm not
I'm
able
sorry,
to.
I missed the question.
Okay, I'll repeat it once again for Haley as well as for Nahida, for everyone in the classroom. Student, there is one bubble which is not included in the rational number, which is not rational, which cannot be shown in the ratio, which never terminates, never repeats, never has a repeating pattern. It is called as
Ma'am,
I.
irrational numbers.
Very good. It is called as irrational number. Is it clear for everyone now? Anything
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to ask till your students? Anu, Pavitra, Nahida, Haley, Fancy, Sabina.
Ma'am, what you are telling about bubbles, I didn't get it.
This bubble, the second bubble which you can see, it is already done. It is natural
Okay.
irrational number.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Fine.
Yes.
So this was all about irrational numbers, rational numbers, different types of numbers. Okay. So I'll erase all this, and if it is very much clear, I'll give you one assessment. This link I'll provide you in the chat box. Click on that link, give the test, and we'll be done. Okay. So I'll understand whether you'll have got.
Understood.
Yes, everyone has started. There I could see only 2 people are there here on the Kahoot. What about the others? Others are also there. Haley, Nahida, Sabina, Felsi, Anu, Pavitra.
I have joined.
Okay, very good. Start with it then.
I have logging in.
It's loading from
Go ahead.
my end.
No worries, no worries. It will take some time. Pavitra, Anoop, Felsi, Nahida, and Haley are there. Sabina, Sharmila, you are there with me?
I'm
Sharmila isn't
loading
there
still.
in the class. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm having some network issues.
No worries. What you can do, Sabina, is you can give this test afterwards. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Others, if you are there inside, complete the test. Students? Yes, I could see most of you all are there. If there's any problem, students, you want me to explain any question, please tell me so that accordingly I'll help you. Haley, Nahida, Felsi, Pavitra, Anup, Sabina, Sharmila. Pavitra, are you done with your test? Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Pavitra is done. What about the others? Felsi, are you done with the test?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Very good. Pavitra and Felsi, I could see there is 70%, 50%. Which question went wrong? You want me to explain any of the question? You have understood where you went wrong? Pavitra and Felsi.
I understood, ma'am. Because of time limit, I
Okay.
clicked wrong. Even then.
Was that very difficult to solve, Pavitra? Is it?
No, ma'am.
You have understood your mistake, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So next time I want 100%. Okay? Fine. No problem. What about the others? Haley, are you done? Nahida, you are done with the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nahida, tell me, just a minute, I'll load the screen so I'll understand how many questions. Yes, Nahida done 80%. Nahida, where you have missed that 2 questions, you have understood.
Actually, that one is rational, and there are 4 different options. I get confused that what time limit was very less to understand how many categories one fits in. So I couldn't able to get the proper answer.
No worries. But if the same question will come next time in the next test, will you be able to crack it in the same time limit? Since now you have understood it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. That's the spirit. Next who have done, completed it. Pavitra, Sabina. Sabina is also done. Anup has also done. Felsi is also done. Haley, yours is done. Haley.
Yes, I could do it, but because of the network issues, my time got over and I was able to attempt only few questions.
Okay, no worries. Anyone wants to ask any question till here? As Naida and Pavitra had Sabina, Felsi, Anu, Haley. Haley, because of the network issues, she couldn't attempt it. What about the others? Sabina, you want to ask any question?
Ma'am, I didn't get the concept of rational and irrational number, though I tried attempting the quiz.
Okay, no problem. You want me to repeat it? Rational, irrational, your see. Rational would be something which can be shown in the form P by Q, 2 by 5, the number -1, the number 0, the number 5. All these are rational numbers. Something which is in the negative ratio, -3/11. All these are rational. And something which cannot be represented in the form P by Q. Now, if it is 5, the Q is 1 year. So it is represented as P by Q. Something which cannot be represented in the form P by Q, like pi, the video which we have seen. Root 2, square root of 2 is something which is never ending. Square root of 3 is never ending. So these are basically irrational numbers. Is it now clear? Don't worry. In the next class, Sabina will have more examples. Okay?
Okay.
Till your basic is
Thank you,
understood, the
ma'am.
chapter itself it says that it is number system basics. Very good, Sabina. I'm always there with you. Okay? Clear till your students? Everyone, can I see some thumbs up in the classroom? Very good. Sabina, I could see Sabina only on my screen. What about the others? Very good. Okay, fine. Amazing. Now, last homework and then we'll be done. My homework for today is very easy, students. You all have to come up with different types, even in natural numbers. Have you all heard about the different types in natural numbers? Which will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7.
Odd and even
1,
number, ma'am?
odd, even numbers, then 1, 5, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. What are these? Even, odd is done. What about these? These numbers?
Prime number.
Prime numbers, co-prime numbers. So next time you all will be coming up with this. You all are going to give me the information regarding these numbers. Okay? Will you all do this for me? A very small
Yes,
homework.
ma'am. Yes.
Very good. Thank you very much, students, for being so cooperative. We'll stop the session here. These are some references and links. I'll provide these links to you in the WhatsApp group so you all can view it once again for revision. Okay? If you all want, you all can take a screenshot or I'll provide all these links to you in the chat box as well. Okay? Shall we stop here, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, students. See you all in the next maths class.
Okay, feedback, Naida.
Yes, ma'am. Overall lesson was fabulous. She explained very well each and every concept in a basic to through where she has started or introduced the chapter with a small concept that where the number come from. So she has put new aspect that how can you introduce the chapter when something old knowledge which student already have. And
Muted.
yeah, ma'am. Then the games which we have played little bit tricky, but yes, a student can solve able to do competitive type of question if can be asked, so they will be prepared accordingly. And overall, the lesson is the energy and the session asking communication was very well executed, and content are also very well done.
Okay, Heli.
Yes, ma'am. The start was very good. I like the way she started, and the way she holds the confidence is completely different. But the thing I felt like till the time she reached to the rational or irrational number, no, she could have started that a bit before the introduction that she took of introducing the numbers and asking questions. So if that was a bit short, if that was taken within a crisp time, no, 5 to 10 minutes, so the main rational irrational numbers in like explaining whole numbers integers would have got a bit more time, because in the end it was like rushing to very quickly at some point of time. So it was like we went in a very quick manner for the main point, like the rational and irrational number, which was main thing. But overall, she conducted very good. And for the thing that we discussed within a short span of time, on the basis of test, a test was a bit higher level of, because students are not able to grasp and apply that same information quickly to what they have learned in the, like in the same lecture. So but the thing that she did was very nice, and she explained it very well with the example. She went back to the examples while explaining whole numbers, integers and everything. So it was very well did, and she communicated. She was trying to include each and everyone in the conversation. She is trying that no one is getting out of the link from what is she trying to explain. So overall it was good. Just my main thing is like she would have taken more time for the main concept, what was the like main motive of the lecture.
Anybody else wants to add? Sabina, Pavitra,
Ma'am, same thing as Helly said, that
even I.
rational and irrational number should have taken more earlier, and it would have been more fresh in the mind. Because by the time we come to the end, there is a fatigue, so we may get tired. And I had network issues, so I was not able to follow. So
Yeah.
I said,
Aishwarya, you
I
used everything well. Yeah. Tell me. I thought you completed. Sorry. Yeah.
no, ma'am, fine.
Yeah, you were saying something, na?
Yeah, ma'am. Though I completed the test very well, I finished it.
See, she totally Aishwarya's lessons more, lot of ICT, lot of links, lot of tools. All that is only Aishwarya. Little bit you can restrict less, because for babies, for children, switching over one after the other one, it may become a little problem. So don't use too many things. थोड़ा सा लिखने का भी उनका दे दो, writing something, or you can give a worksheet to solve. And starting also I felt, because it became 1 hour almost, I think more than an hour this lesson has been going on, so it became monotonous at times. So in the beginning, thoda sa introduction should be little short, or whatever previous knowledge. Too many pictures don't show, just because like we are having good pictures, because later on, as they said, even I felt, I was going to say, those concepts thoda rushing ho gaya. Suddenly one graph came, suddenly something came, suddenly pi ka video came. So thoda restrict karo. Now pi is a separate concept. So little bit, yes, you wanted to show 3.14, whatever. But खूप होऊन जातं मग त्याच्यात. आणि मग basically you want to teach what is natural numbers, whole numbers, what are integers, what is that? That is the main focus. So the children should, when you put a set or something, let them, you can show them and tell them to recognize, or tell them to set. So let that focus be there. Because what happens when too many things are suddenly video, suddenly count, suddenly one graph is coming, suddenly ज़्यादा हो जाता है. I know you're very good in ICT, you're doing a fabulous job, communication is good, but as far as possible, thoda focus, children, when we call all this as stimulus variation. So stimulus variation also, you need to use it, little bit okay. Because as children, these are big, they felt that. So when children, gai jaise ho jata hai, shifting. That's what I felt little bit. And then, little monotony crops in. So that you just see when you're doing it. Use 1 or 2 tools nicely, initiate discussion, tell them to copy in their books, write down in their books, do it, so it will become more impressive. But communication, no problem. Using things, no problem. And hamesha link hi use karna hai, no need. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where does it? -15, 28, where, which group does it belong? Ask them the definitions. Ask children to give an example of rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers. So thoda sa from their side, instead of giving those. Perfect ICT lesson, but too much if you use it creates a lot of, like shifting. Maybe I also felt that.
Yes. Even like now, while writing in the lesson plan, I didn't understood, ma'am. But then while delivering it, I came to know, yes, that I have used a lot of things.
Yeah, when you write, see, when you're actually doing, even we don't
There's a
understand.
difference.
But it becomes like when it comes, and 1 hour, we have decided 40 minutes max. But 1 hour, 2 hour, तो ये होगा नहीं दूसरे लोगों का फिर. Only from 9:30 we are sitting. It's 12, only 2 lessons are over. Of course, in between I took that ISKA. Okay, now what do we do? What time we meet? Tell me, because now I'll just get ready. I did not, I was doing the other work and then the phone came to